Just hit it through, hold on, that's not my element. I like dark skin, love a melanin. Talk, pushing me the tone when I'm stepping in. 30 bottles of the food till I'm sentiment. I had to.
Alright, the lady, she sees up the chicken, she know. She sit down in the pot and put on my garlic in. Alright, watch you know, whoops. Watch there. Sizzle, yeah, alright. When I go tell you everything with the pan to not too fast. Season, I think have a clue. Guess and spell right there. So alright now, yeah. Watch your man, chicken well fresh now. Alright, Mr. CB, do your thing. Right there, so watch your black pepper aim right there, so marinate. Alright, wait. Don't to process. Have patience. Alright, yeah, chicken. Chick. I don't wanna can right there, so yeah, all purpose. Yeah, you know, if all purpose not in a chicken, not make no sense. Alright, right there, so yeah, what you girl and belly full of love, salt. Yeah, right this. So it's all about the meal. It's all about chicken. Yes, right there. So alright. Excited bad. What you browning? Right here. Browning done, you know. Browning done. Alright. Yeah, put look water in a buckle. Get a style, right there. So browning. Grace, big up yourself. Alright, marinate. What girl finger? Yeah, clean finger, rub up chicken, rub him down, rub a double. Hey, and remember, please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment and like, and you can just tell me where you don't want to cook next, yeah. Because you know, a girl love cook, and I love what I do, and I do what I do best, and that's cooking and making YouTube video for you guys, yeah. Alright, that's so. Alright. Watch the chicken. Yeah. I just believe in a cleaning up chicken good, make it marinate and do what I have to watch, you know. You know, I have to choke it up because I want the spice cut down in the bone, you know. Oh, I want it cut down in the bone. I want it to taste like a KFC settings. Yeah. Choke it up because you don't know say Ozzy him have to just say yeah, you know you do what you do best, cook. Yeah. Right, this so. Alright, may I make it marinate, so you know me have to choke it up, make everything go down, yeah. Alright, so I'm gonna put this pot now to hot, yeah. Then I turn my oil. Alright, nice vegetable oil, yeah. Then you know what it is, you know it's all the candle girl only use candle. Alright, no. The oil gets hot. Yes, the oil is getting hot. It's getting hot like lava. Not too hot now, you know, because you don't want to burn up the chicken. You just want to get this golden brown color, okay? The girl are dropping her 2 garlic, because you know I love garlic. Bad. So look here now. Watch you know. Yeah, may I cut up my garlic, may I clean it off. Because you know, say, oh, it's gonna right off. Garlic, yes. I will put in the garlic. Burn a little garlic in the oil, yeah. Burn it. Me love cooking now. I love cook bad. I can't spend my money all the while I road, yeah. Put in the chicken. You know it go already. I'm a granny cheese. I for cook. I'm a father. Yes, I grew in a home that I'll where all the cooking go on. Yeah, my granny, my family, my cook. So me have to cook too. Cause I want my kids to cook also. Yes, so I put in everything. Yeah, to make it go in and get it look golden brown color, you know. Yes. Alright, hear them now, watch them now, look them now. I say my neighbor Sue smell my pot and beg me some food. Alright, that's so. Alright, yes, we're gonna give it some time and then we spin it. Yes, put in our next year because we are full of a pot. We now waste now. Yes, no gas now waste. Alright, yeah. Simmer down, don't you hear what I say? Yeah, alright. Stop one fry. Fry. Yeah, fry. Then you know as we spinning time, we're gonna spin it. Alright. Watch color, watch golden brown. We're not talking about no bun, you know, we're not talking about no black, you know. Oops. Alright. Because you know it have to get a little dry, it have to fry extra dry. Yeah, alright, take it out, then now I'm putting in water. you know, water. Take out the chicken, put in the water. Then yes, I'm going to use barbecue sauce. Yes, you know, want have that nice barbecue flavor that just like KFC. My, what you eat? Ooh, can you smell it? Hey, if you know, couldn't just smell what me I smell, but now we're in the self. Alright, so I'm gonna have a meet and greet soon. Alright, putting in the sauce. I'm gonna put in the sauce. Yes, sauce. Saucy. Saucy boss. Yeah. You know your girl got this. I got it. Oh my god. First time me I learn for cook, me I tell you no. Baby. No, I get to know. My mother said, girl, pick me up, I can cook, clean and wash. Alright. Yes. Stir. Alright. Take my time and stir because I don't want no splash for me and burn me up. Alright. Stir. Alright. Stir until you know it's dissolving the water. Yes. Stir because you want the gravy thick and nice. Stir. You don't want it burnt, you know? You have to be stirring. Yes. Alright. Good. Guys, remember to subscribe to the YouTube channel. A fries time now, so you know, put in the oil and you know you have to make the oil hot when you're frying fries. If it's gonna get saggy and spoil. Alright, so make the oil hot. Not too hot though, that will burn. Then I'll put in my fries. Yes, you know. Wow. Oh my god. I can't wait to eat this until I know it tastes. Yes, fries. Alright, it's right there. So, and then I know the girl got you, and you got the girl. So remember. Yes. So tell a friend about my channel. Yes, alright. Fries and all these things. Yes. Yes, alright. It's all about we doing what we love. Alright, so fries done. Yeah, I know we are gonna go. Yeah, the gravy has simmer down. You said simmer down and get thick. Yeah, that one I want to get thick. Yes, then we'll just put in the chicken one by one. Yes, you know, at this point you're gonna turn down your stove. Yeah, put in it one by one. You know, you're gonna put in it one by one because you know the thing go. We don't want to drop it in and it splash up on the stove and mess up the place, so we'll just put in it one by one. Yeah, okay. Alright. Watch the steam. Alright, because you want to get it all over the chicken. You want to get it all in. Damn. Hey, look at KFC barbecue chicken. But they can't talk to me. Alright. Damn. That color. Yeah. Alright. You know, so sharing time. So sharing time now. Alright. What color, man? Oh my god, this is so pretty. And you know, want to smell it from over. Yes, so with me there. Alright, so the fries now. Going back to the fries. And bam, your girl finish. Who get to me say I want big top restaurant me there. And guys, you know, after this I'm gonna have a drink. Ray and Nephew. Yes, Ray and Nephew. Rum time. 1 cup full of Ray and Nephew rum. Yeah. All aboard. And then the coconut rum. Ray and Nephew make it too. I want to get drunk in love. Shreps. S word. Schweppes. Yes. Schweppes it up. Ah. Schweppes. I love that. I love this mixture. Yes, Schweppes. And I'm gonna put in a cube of ice. 2 cubes. Yes. You know, when it's chilled, it have a more nice taste. Yes, and that's it.
So I hope you enjoyed this voiceover. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks for staying tuned, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.